Hello world, this is Random Fix, and today we're going to do a van tour of the Mercedes Benz Sprinter here in 360. So if you guys are watching this on your phone or your computer, you guys could go ahead and check out anything you want. Just move your phone around or move your browser around. So the van is complete and I put it up for sale last week. And so today I wanted to give you guys a 360 van tour. So I'm going to begin off with the exterior and then take you guys up to the top. Then we're going to go inside. And lastly, I'm going to show you guys what the van looks like at nighttime, so definitely stay tuned. So let me begin off with the passenger side here. This does have a buck screen, so if you guys want to go camping, you can leave this door open. And at the rear of the vehicle, we've taken the spare tire from underneath, and instead we've put a 20-gallon gray water tank and also this metal step, so you can easily hop in there. All the badges are blacked out as well, and there's going to be a nice little handle you can grab to get inside, and I'll show you guys the interior next. So we're in the rear cargo area of the vehicle, and this vehicle sits a total of 11. So 4 here, 4 in the next row, 1 behind the driver's side, and 2 in the very front. And I normally sleep a total of 2 adults and 2 kids when these chairs lay down completely flat, and that's very easy to do. In the rear, we have nice holders back here to store some of your extra belongings, and these window covers just peel off just using magnets at the very top. The same thing with all the window covers around the van, and they're all insulated, and the van is insulated with Thinsulate from 3M. So I'll let you guys take a look around back here now. On the driver's side, we have 2 ladders here from Flatline Van Company that lead up to the deck up top. In the front, we have a black rod to protect the paint up here as well. It does have a stealth power plug in the wheel well area, which is completely unseeable. This does have the 3-liter turbo diesel, which gives great fuel economy. And up top on the deck, it has the Flatline Van Company front flare, so it helps guide the wind over. And I'll take you guys up top next. Up top here on the deck, we are going to have the Flatline Van Company roof system, which has this 25-year deck here. And this is really nice when you want to go to the beach or the drive-ins, and you can view it from up here. And we also have 200 watts of solar, which are going to be controlled by a DC to DC converter inside the vehicle. And it also has a factory air system in the back, so you're going to have the whole van cooled off within minutes of starting the engine. So that summarizes a visual of the interior of the van. And a couple of things that I did not get the chance to show you guys on the video is all the electronics are located right here behind the driver's side. So all the DC to DC converters, the basic battery shunts, the battery chargers, they're back here. And all the controls are within a arm's length, so I can turn anything on and off, including all the lights. And the batteries that are going to be located here and also behind the refrigerator. And there's going to be a total of 1120 amp hours of battery life on this vehicle, so you can go for a very long time and not have to worry about power. And these are going to be lithium iron phosphate batteries. I'll leave a link in the video description if you guys want to build something similar. And you have the Maxxfan fan up top here, and in the kitchen area we have a convection oven that has a microwave function, and there's going to be a 5-micron water filter. There's going to be a Bosch water heater in the rear for the shower if you guys want to turn that on to power that up. There's an inverter underneath this seat that's connected to the automatic transfer switch that is connected to the Stealth Shore Power plug in the front there. And also in the front over here we have a current that goes up from side to side within seconds. It just clips in, and there's going to be a magnet that holds it in place. There's going to be a complete WeatherTech sunshade system if you want additional privacy, that goes in the very interior right here. And that has two sides, so it has a silver side and a black side depending on the season. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up this video by just talking about safety on the interior here. So safety is really important when you're driving a bigger vehicle like this. So this does have the backup camera as well as blindside monitors. So if you're looking for a van, please make sure you do not skimp out on this. It really helps. There's so many times I've turned to the side and I didn't see somebody. However, when I hit the turn signal, it spotted somebody. So a bigger vehicle has different kinds of blind spots, and take a look at that before you actually buy something just because it's cheap. And the last thing I'm going to go ahead and do, show you guys what the van looks like at nighttime, and I'll leave a link to the 2D video in the description box down below. And let me know if you guys have any questions. At the top of the video, it'll let you guys know if the van is available. I really appreciate it. If I could be of any help towards your van build, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can and make it a great day. This is what the van looks like at nighttime, and the front entry is all lit up with a nice ambient green light, which really makes you stand out when you go park at a boondocking location. So that way, if there's somebody driving around at nighttime, there's really no chance that you're going to go and get hit. And I'll let you guys enjoy this view here. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to ask down below. And thanks again.